Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Julia Hair. Julia Hair sent me over this natural wig. I literally put it on in like 5 minutes, no joke. So I'm going to show you guys how quick it is to put this wig on, cut the lace, style the edges, everything, and it looks like our natural hair. I just gave it a little bit of shape so it can look more natural and not like weird. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly install this wig. I'm so excited to show you guys this quick and easy ways to wear your wigs where it's going to protect your actual natural hair instead of like gluing it down and stuff. Don't get me wrong, if I really need to go somewhere, I will glue it down, but for like the quick and easy, on the go, going to work, going to school, those type of things, you could just throw on your wig just like this, okay? So I'm going to show you how I keep down the sides from flying up when it's like windy and stuff. And yeah, let's get right into this video. This is how the wig turned out. The hair has absolutely no product in it. If you want, you can add product, and as you can see, it's like still defined and stuff. Even though it has no product, it's giving like afro vibes. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below. Don't forget to check out Julia Hair, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.